bit different. It's in the garage. Steph's new car. She's had it for almost, how long have you had the car, Steph?
Almost a year now.
I was gonna say almost a year.
Almost.
2002 Camaro SS 6-speed, 27K on the car. It's bone stock. The only thing that's changed on this car, I think, is the grille. So we're probably not gonna feature this car on the channel just because it's not gonna be boosted, it's gonna be stock. But just kind of wanted to show you the overall view of that car. And so that I can start actually showing my garage again. So there you go. Back at it again. Today we'll be working on the Civic, doing some modifications. I got a whole bunch of parts. Got my sister's boyfriend here helping me out today, so we're gonna be doing as much as we can get done. Looking at possibly doing a fuel pump, doing fuel rail, doing injectors, possibly doing the lower crank pulley, so putting the ATI balancer on, and then just really seeing what else we can get done today. Yeah, got a lot of parts, man, so we'll see what happens.
That's intake. Go ahead. This is all. It's compression stroke now. So now you line your lines up. It's on the compression stroke.
So it looked like you got a line right here and a line right here. So they're close. You see what I'm saying?
I mean, it's at the top, but you know, you gotta line them up exactly together.
See? She close? Let me bump it.
Yeah, just a little bit.
To the right or to the back? Bring it back.
No, go keep running. Nah, I think that's good.
Oh, she's over now.
Oh, then you can bump it back.
You see what I'm talking about now? That's pretty damn close. These are the two lines I'm talking about, y'all. Hope you can see it. Try to put it underneath there.
Probably not need the short side. We need the 14.
Yeah.
This Honda stuff new to me. I'm a push rod V8 man.
Yes.
I can tell you all about
This
it.
new to me.
I can tell you shit about this imports.
Yeah, like I done built one of these before.
Yeah, you did. You built that one.
We ain't built that one. We just put it together.
Hey, that's fine. That's 9% of the damn power.
Yep.
You should better pull them off.
Put one. There we go. Whew.
How we gonna
What you want?
I'll drop it. I'll find it.
Help?
Over there.
I heard it hit the floor.
You see it? To the left? In front of the jet? Is
Right
that
here?
not what he dropped?
No, that's my
Oh.
one. He dropped that little keyway. I got it. It's all the way over here.
I heard it hit the floor, bounce about 3 times.
I was like, that can't.
Well, yours fell on his side, his fell on your side.
That's true.
Alright, let's try this again.
That one was no problem, just cause.
That was almost too easy.
That one was? But this front
But I
one.
see how to put it on now.
Okay. Everything falls, man. That's all good though. Yep.
It's tight. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it wants to push it back out when you get it on there.
So put the thing on, but don't push it all the way up yet. Let's get it lined up.
Okay. All right. She pretty much there. We just got a little bit.
The rest of the way.
Yeah.
For the first time ever, we want something delivered to the garage. Loctite. Where you want them at?
You can just put them right there. I'll move them. You're not coming in the garage.
No, I know that. I'm just saying. For once, we need something delivered to the garage. Like
Yeah.
the door of the garage, not the front door.
You don't need but that. I'm supposed to be painting that shit on. Oh, look at me talking about you.
Paint it on the floor.
Paint it on the damn floor.
He said he wanted to do the floors, so.
Yeah, I might have to.
There you go.
I'm trying to seat it.
Thank you.
And lower it.
Yeah.
Did it get tight quick?
Yeah, it is, but you gonna have to tighten it. That's a stainless steel bolt. That's why it's breaking.
Okay. I was just trying to feel it. I was like, man, she don't.
Yeah, it's stainless.
That's
It's stainless steel. It's gonna feel tight. Now you good?
Okay. Appreciate you, man. You wanna see what that? Oh, look at it. They say fronts. There ain't no fronts. And then,
On, normal cars they are.
yeah, that's true.
We're racing backwards. The front
There you
end
go.
on the red in the back.
So that's the battery for the car.
I have a feeling they're very familiar with how to deliver stuff here.
Yeah, by now, right? Cool.
Of course, that's gonna fucking turn.
There it is right there. She's right on it. That's close. So there's a washer, I think, that goes behind this. Right? I ain't liking this one. She's right at 40.
That's good.
And they keep,
40.9.
That's
It was?
Yep, 40.9 is what I saw.
Yeah, I just didn't want to keep, you know, I ain't trying to strip it. It was up. You good?
Yeah, okay. Home Depot
Like
for the
17.
I'm not gonna tell Diesel y'all went to Home Depot without him. He'd be upset.
2,000 horsepower fuel pump.
I wish it was 2,000. I think it said it's good for 14.
What fuel though?
E85.
Okay, yeah. So
Because it's sport front wheel drive, you kind of locked in the. I guess they run.
E85, that's 2,000 gas.
Yeah, it close.
What's 30% of 2,600?
Yeah, that's
14.
That's right.
Keep rotating until it slip all in. Now clock it how you want it. So what's where your feed and your lines, what you can always move. Yeah, there you go.
Coat.
All the fuel.
All the fuel is there. 2200 cc injectors. I say you had. I don't know how we want.
Yeah, no.